I was gonna call this Shakespearean because it's tube bead and not tube bead.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry, I was cooking that up for like 2 minutes. We've got a box, and it's got a clue. It's a little box, but that's okay. In this box, you'll find shasha. It was also thought to bring you luck. In Egypt, ancient Egypt, the word shasha used to mean beads, but the individual syllable sha meant luck. So I guess in Egypt, they referred to beads as luck or double luck. I feel a pretty good educated guess on what might be in this box. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. This is gonna be good. So we've got some awesome carvings that's actually pretty light material, but beads are not my specialty. So I think for today, we're gonna bring on some specialized help. I've brought Katy here with me today to help out. We're gonna talk about beads today. You're something of an expert on beads, or at least you know a lot more than I do.
Yeah, I work with beads a lot over at Jewel School and constantly making jewelry, and I love gemstones.
I'm a little perplexed about this. So it's like lightweight and it doesn't have like the same coldness as I expect from a stone. So what can you tell me about these guys?
Well, so these are dragon beads. These are beautiful hand-carved turquoise dragon beads.
Oh.
And so we have a couple of different versions of this at JTV, but this is just a fun way you could do a Shambhala style bracelet. Did you know this is actual turquoise?
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah.
Turquoise is normally the blue color, but it can be greenish. And I like that color as well, it's really earthy. That makes sense because turquoise has been used in the most primitive of jewelry for literally thousands of years. Okay, I've unboxed a ton of boxes. Would you like to unbox a box?
I would love the honor. Let me watch you do one first in person.
All right.
I'll do the next one.
Take notes.
Okay.
Ooh. It's as easy
Ooh,
as that.
wow.
Oh my gosh, look what we've got.
Oh yeah.
There's a couple.
Oh, these are so beautiful.
Oh, there's more than a couple.
Oh, wow.
Oh, we've got a necklace. There's a bracelet, I think.
This is one of my favorite gemstones.
I remember when I started working here, I was absolutely blown away by, I'd never seen Labradorite. In person, it's one of the most stunning optical phenomena.
These are so beautiful. I brought a few pieces that I've actually made with this strand. And for this strand, I like to just take some of them, pick my favorite stones and just do like 5 on a necklace, like right here, or 1 on a chain, or something like that, because it's honestly a pretty hefty strand.
Yeah, I think you would start to feel that after a couple hours of wearing it, you know? So Labradorite is very special because it has that optical phenomenon called labradorescence. And what causes it is light passing through the layers of the material that makes up the stone, and the light gets scattered. And so when it returns to your eye, it gets separated into all of these different spectral colors, which is what causes that optical effect. And it happens naturally, which is just wild to me.
Yeah, that's so amazing.
Yeah, and they would swing and pivot and swivel a lot. Yeah, I think earrings are actually a really good choice for the Labradorite.
So we do still have this strand at jtv.com. We have a lot of different Labradorite strands.
In the pantheon of gemstones, Labradorite is a little bit slept on as far as like just jeweler applications, you know?
So, you know, before this, we looked at more of a traditional round bead, but now in the jewelry industry, you'll see beads that come in all different shapes and sizes. Like these are really interesting, flat, top drilled, side drilled Labradorite slabs. I mean, they're so unique and different. So today we're gonna be seeing a lot of fun, different shapes other than a traditional round.
That's awesome. Okay, do you think after seeing me do the first one, you can do the second one?
Yes, I think so. Woo!
Well done, good form.
Oh, cool.
Awesome. Oh, wait, these are drilled beads?
Yes.
They're huge.
They're huge.
And they're definitely not round.
Yeah, no. These are really, really awesome. I love to use these for big focals on necklaces.
Oh, nice, yeah. You say focals?
Oh, focals,
Like a focus point?
Yeah, like a focus point. We call them focal beads. These are just big, beautiful, almost like specimens. There's rose quartz.
Oh, there's more Labradorite.
Oh, yeah.
So I didn't know until I picked it up and then it winked at me.
It winked. I think there might be some fluorite in there too.
Yeah, I think this guy with the color banding on it. I think that's probably definitely fluorite.
It's so pretty.
Which drilling that kind of makes me scared, just the idea of it, because it wants to cleave in 4 different directions, and
risky.
I feel like it'd be risky.
Yeah.
I'd be nervous drilling into that, but it came out okay, and it would look great at the end of one of these pendants.
Yeah.
I love the color gradient here, by the way.
Thank you.
That's so nice.
Yeah, this is a fun, these are just this is a multi-stone strand that we used to have. This is kind of just a basic loop, in jewelry. So you have these things called eye pins, and it's basically a piece of wire with a loop on the end. And then you put your bead on it, and then you use a tool to loop the other side, and then you connect them all together. So I guess these are just wire connections.
Gosh, that must have taken so long.
It really doesn't. We have this tool called the one-step looper. It makes it go so fast.
Okay.
It loops it in one step.
What is this guy?
I think that's Lab. It is Lab.
There it is. Whoa, there he is.
Oh, and then yeah, this is a fluorite pendant with the fluorite beads on the side too.
Oh, nice.
So you can go
the really
bead on
small
bead.
fluorite bead. Yeah, bead on bead. I love fluorite, but the worst thing about it is that it's so fragile that it's kind of hard to get into jewelry. But as a focal stone on a nice necklace like this, as long as you're not, mountain climbing with it on, you're probably gonna be okay.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Whoa, okay, not a stone. Oh my God.
There's one more strand.
Cool.
Look at those.
Like a
wow.
snake. So are they wood?
Yes.
Okay.
But I love the marbling. Like I
that's really
love
pretty.
how they did that. There's this huge bag of wood beads. They're just so fun to use, and you get so many colors with that set. These are just a couple of little necklaces
nice.
I've done.
It's like coffee colored, this one.
Yeah. It's like coffee colored, espresso.
These are cool as well. I love
Yeah.
the different shapes together are kind of like helping bring each other out.
I love using rose tones
Yeah.
with the wood beads. And I love using the tube. These are actually
check that out.
gemstones, but I love tube beads because you can do some really fun, different ways of designing with them.
With the drill hole being lengthwise, I wouldn't have thought to have them horizontal next to each other
Yeah.
like that. That's awesome.
Really fun.
And then what are these guys?
For this bracelet, we just used the wood beads sparingly as little accents
Yeah.
because these are super colorful and you can just kind of space them out.
This I feel like I could probably handle. I could
think
make
you
one
could do
of these.
it. Yeah. Stretch bracelets are so popular in fashion right now too. Everybody loves to wear them, and the cool thing about them is you can kind of just throw on a stack in the morning of whatever colors you're feeling or whatever outfit you have on and go. Everybody loves stretch bracelets.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, the materials are getting crazier.
Yes, they are.
So I'm guessing this is tiger's eye, but I've never seen it in this shape before. Like a totally slender tube.
Hold on to your hat. Got a bunch of different shapes
I'm
of
buckled
tiger's
up.
eye.
Whoa, oh my God, check this funky thing out. Oh, did you make this?
Yes, I did. I love tube beads. Tube beads are like my jam. Isn't that such a nice feeling
Yeah,
right
I'm
there?
trying to, actually, yeah, it is.
This is actually a cha-cha style pendant, and what that means is there's a segment of chain right here, and then you just attach these beads on every link. It's really easy. I use the one-step looper again for that, so it just makes everything go a lot faster. But these are Carnelian beads.
Okay, nice.
I need to do
That's
one
a good
in
choice,
tiger's
yeah.
eye.
I was gonna call this Shakespearean because it's tube bead and not tube bead.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry, I was cooking that up for like 2 minutes.
What do you think about those?
I love the blue. It's, hawk's eye. So hawk's eye is the blue variety of chatoyant quartz. So tiger's eye is like the brown yellow chatoyant quartz, and then hawk's eye is that with the same optical effect chatoyancy, but in blue, which I'm a big fan of.
I love mixing these with pearls.
Yeah, I think that's a nice color combo as well. The
see
beaded
this?
pearls, yeah.
You open this one.
Not pearls, but very pretty. Oh, hey, hello.
Hello. It's Opal.
Oh, I've got a little Opal
okay,
story.
okay.
Oh, I like these.
So here's the original bead strand right here. This strand does actually have spacers on it, and it's packaged this way because it protects the briolet, basically. If they didn't have those, they would just be all smushed together.
Gotcha.
That's all fireable as well.
Oh, wow. Okay.
But this is just a newer, updated strand we have. But these are pear-shaped briolets, and I love these beads. They're just so fun to work with and design with. They're teardrops. So a lot of people will do earrings, just do a simple wire wrap, or you can just make a huge statement piece if you really want to just like
Yeah, you
boom.
could. Yeah, for sure. I like the really warm colors with the cool blue. I just love the contrast.
Yeah. Every bead is different and has its own personality. So it's kind of a challenge of how are you going to use this strand to make jewelry that actually goes together. Like for these earrings here, it was just easy to make a row of them. And it doesn't matter if they're perfectly matched or anything like that.
It's really organic. It's like a vine growing
Yeah.
up or something like that.
These are all handmade. So we do have this strand. This is how it comes, and you get so many beads. All right, well, should we move on to the next box?
Yeah, let's do it. Ooh.
Ooh, some more teardrop beads.
Lavender though. Teardrop, but it's like they're completely round. They're not flat, they're not pear, they're teardrop. They're like 3D, but they're also faceted.
Yeah, these are fluorite.
Love it. Oh, I love the color of these.
These are the round briolette shape that are just more round. And they make great little drops on a necklace. This is a really good strand to just do the classic wire wrap on because it is fluorite, it's really fragile.
Yeah,
right?
You gotta be careful. It can definitely get scratched up, it can definitely break. So
yeah.
Fluorite, you gotta be very careful with.
So pretty, and it's rare that you have a strand of just the purples, just the
That's
lavenders.
true, yeah. And with not much color like zoning either, like they're all pretty much solid color.
Yeah, fluorite's just a really cool stone.
Yeah, go for it. Whoa!
Okay.
Check these guys out,
Yes.
okay. Oh my gosh, that's so dark black.
Yep.
Ooh, and it's cold too. I love when the stone is cold for some reason. These are really awesome.
Pendant.
So this is a material called tiger iron. So it's tiger's eye quartz, but it's also got a couple other things, other materials in it, like hematite and red jasper. And it goes really great with these other beads up top.
Yeah, these are coconut beads.
Coconut, like made from coconut?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, I use these as focal beads. I think they're leaves. I'm not sure if they're bear claws
like
or
leaves to me.
but they just make really good focals. And then same with this one. This is ocean jasper.
All of the color is coming from the beads, but all of these colors you can kind of see in the focal stone.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, I feel like this is a strand of ocean jasper as well, but just
Looks
different
like it.
tones on
Yeah.
the strand. So this is black agate, right?
Oh, okay, yeah.
And then the rose quartz.
And then rose quartz, a classic.
This is making me think of fall. Once again, these are great focals because they're heavier. So
for sure.
really, really good for the bottom of a necklace. Definitely you wouldn't want to do earrings.
I cannot imagine, I've never had my ears pierced, but I cannot imagine that kind of weight swinging from my lobes.
Nope.
Sounds uncomfortable.
Bad
Or
news
turning your
bears.
head, someone taps you on the shoulder and you knock them out with your focal.
Yeah.
All right, last box, I've gotta let you unbox.
Okay.
Brilliant form.
Thank
Oh, very nice. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, cool.
Save some, I gotta tell you, this is pretty cold.
Oh, is it cold?
Yeah, although is this leather?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
That
oh,
is
and look at that. You
leather.
can shorten it or tighten it. Oh, nice.
Ooh, these are going to be a bunch of large hole bead ideas. So these
Okay.
are a bunch of different.
Oh, is this a hairband?
Oh,
I
it's a
could've-
choker.
Oh,
it's a choker.
Okay, I was gonna say a hairband. I could have used this about a month and a half ago.
Really? But yeah, these are a bunch of large hole bead designs.
Whoa. Why is this so long?
It's like a lariat style necklace where you just basically wrap it around your neck and tie it, kind of like a Western boho look. But we love large hole pearls. This is a really pretty strand of multicolor pearls.
Yeah, I love it.
This is my birthstone, aquamarine.
Nice.
Love that.
March?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so what's your closer look?
These fire opal earrings and this carnelian necklace, because I couldn't pick one.
They're both very pretty.
Is that okay?
Absolutely, yeah.
I just love the colors.
I love the textures.
And I just love that this is now called the Shakespearean.
The Shakespeare. Let's take a closer look. Well, Katie, thank you so much for joining me for an unboxing.
Oh, well, thanks for having me, Rob. It's been so fun. We've looked at a lot of awesome gemstones.
Yeah, I know we kind of dragged you over from the Jewel School channel, which you need to check out and subscribe to if you haven't already. Kind of pulled you out of your element, but I thought you did really great, and you brought some awesome stuff today. I really enjoyed it.
Thank you. I love making jewelry, so if you ever need to learn anything, we teach a lot of these techniques on YouTube as well as your Gemstones channel.
Yeah,
so.
gemstones.com can tell you about the rocks. Katie can tell you what to do with them.
Exactly.
But if you enjoyed the video, give a like and subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And this was a viewer request video, so if you have anything you'd like to see, leave it in the comments and we'll definitely take a look at it.
Oh yeah, we will.
But until next time, thanks for watching.